Okay, so I had a few questions about how to set up the, how to find some different angles here for number 11, so I thought I'd make a short little video of how to find your angles and then let you figure out the rest from there. So, as you can see, we have this surveyor who wants to find a distance across a pond. See the figure. The bearing from A to B is north 36 degrees west, and the surveyor walks x equals 40 meters from A to C, and at C, the bearing to B is north 69 degrees west. So what we need to do is, first we need to find the bearing from A to C. So we know that if we draw another little picture here, I think this will get a little bit bigger triangle. And then, so this is B, this is A, this is C, and if x is equal to 40, that means this is 40. So now when you're looking at trying to figure out your bearings, it says a bearing from A to B is north 36 degrees west. So that means if we take a vertical line through point A, and if we measure from northwest, so that means west of north, that means this is 36 degrees right here, is that angle. Now it gives us in the problem that this is a 90 degree angle, so that means if we take 90 minus 36, that is going to give us this other angle that is going to be 54 degrees over here. Okay, so that means our bearing from A to C would be north 54 degrees east, which would be our answer right here. But what we had to do, the big thing that we had to do is we had to draw in a vertical line that when we're dealing with bearings, and whenever you state what bearings are, you always have to measure from your vertical. So if we draw in these vertical lines here, then we can also draw in a vertical line up here at C, because we're going to need to figure out what this angle is inside here. So this side length is 40 over here. So if your side length is 40, that means that we can use that as one of our sides as SOHCAHTOA. But if this is 54 on this corner, that means by using parallel lines here and a line that cuts through it, that means that we have another angle that's 54 degrees, which would be right here, from here to here. So if that's 54, then we might need to use some other information. It says up here in the problem that at C, the bearing to B is north 69 degrees west. So that means if you are at C, traveling towards E, or traveling towards B, so if you're going to go that direction, then this is 69 degrees up here, from your north to that side. So we know that 69 degrees plus 54 degrees plus this angle here has to be whatever we can, has to add up to 180. So if we add those up together, 69 plus 54 is 123, so 180 minus 123 would give us a 57. 57 would be your angle inside here. So if you need to figure out what your distance from A to B is, you're actually going to try to figure out what this distance is over here. What you may want to do is just redraw your triangle. Maybe turn it sideways so we get more of a right angle. So here is your right angle. You know that this is 40, this is D, and we found out that your angle down here in the bottom right is going to be 57 degrees. 57 degrees. Then you can use SOHCAHTOA to figure out, by using your opposite side and your adjacent side, to figure out what your D is. So hopefully that helped clarify a few things. Hopefully your picture can be drawn a little bit better, and that might help you out when doing number 11.